It go like oh, Ray, me, for so fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the ICUE software. If you haven't already installed it, there's a link down in the description for you to click on to install it. Today we'll be looking at instant lighting. What instant lighting is a lighting effect in your software that will automatically turn every device that is connected and link it to a solid color that you have clicked on. To activate it, you want to go to the top of the software and click on the instant lighting tab and then click your color. To turn it off, you simply just hit the exit button and it will turn off the effect. Hope this video helped. If it did, leave a like, drop a comment, and I will see you guys next video.